The first letter in the rainbow, of course, is R. In the gender dual, R stands for the reproductive facet of our gender. This refers to our physical or biological makeup and is routinely called our sex. This consists of our genetics, chemistry, anatomy, and reproductive organs. There are three categories of reproductive sex that a person can be born with. They are female sex, male sex, and intersex. Some factors that determine if a person's body will form male or female traits, or male and female traits, as with intersex, occur at the microscopic level. Our 23rd pair of chromosomes, which are part of our DNA, located in the nucleus of our cells, are typically paired as XX for female and XY for male. Intersex people, who make up about 2% of our population, can have different chromosomal configurations, such as XXY, X only, or a mixture of XX in some cells and XY in other cells. Also governing reproductive development are microscopic chemicals produced in our bodies called hormones. There are many different hormones in the body and several related to sexual development. The two most commonly associated with gender are estrogen as the predominant female hormone and testosterone as the predominant male hormone. All people, whether male, female, or intersex, have both estrogen and testosterone in their bodies in varying degrees. Now, beyond the microscopic, the most obvious physical characteristics affiliated with gender are the formations of our reproductive organs. Most people understand the basic physical differences between female anatomy, which is a girl or woman's body, and male anatomy, which is a boy or man's body. When it comes to physical traits, there are two categories of human development associated with the reproductive aspect of gender: primary traits and secondary traits. Primary reproductive traits involve the structuring of reproductive anatomy. These traits are usually apparent at birth or before birth using ultrasound. Visual examination usually confirms it's a girl baby, or it's a boy baby, or it's possibly a girl or boy baby, as when intersex traits are visible. Secondary reproductive traits occur during puberty. These are the bodily changes affected by hormone secretion that occur during adolescence. Things such as breast development, muscle and fat distribution, body hair, focal changes, and so on. Reproductive traits develop both internally and externally and are not always obvious at birth. Sometimes a person can be born with external anatomy that is male and have internal anatomy that is female, or vice versa. This happens with people who are intersex, but not always. An intersex person may have developed reproductive organs that are solely male or female, yet have a chromosome pairing of the opposite sex. They might also have predominant hormone levels of the opposite sex. The reproductive traits of intersex people may or may not be known at the time of birth or before birth using ultrasound. Many factors related to sex and gender are being researched. These include womb environment during fetal development, different regions of the human brain, and many genetic factors. As with all aspects of human health, today's unknown variables will become better informed by tomorrow's discoveries. It's important to know and remember that the reproductive facet of gender, the R in our rainbow, are that reproductive traits are complex and do not determine a person's gender identity, sexual orientation, or outward expression of who they are. I'll cover all of these as we continue on through the rainbow. Now, let's move on to the letter A.